Fixing Android Bluetooth connectivity issues. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth connectivity issues on your Android phone. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, turn Bluetooth off and on again. Swipe down to open Quick Settings, tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Now restart your phone. A quick reboot can fix temporary glitches in Bluetooth settings. Next, go to Settings and open the Bluetooth and check if your device is listed. If not, tap Pair New Device and try connecting again. If the device is already paired but not connecting, tap on the device name and choose Forget or Unpair. Also, make sure Bluetooth visibility is turned on so other devices can detect your phone. Make sure your device is within range, has enough battery, and isn't already connected to another phone. If the issue happens with one specific device, try connecting it to another phone to see if the problem is on the device side. That's all for the video. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Android tips. Catch you in the next one.